Welcome back to Autoscope. The ultimate in performance and luxury on wheels is the BMW Motorhome 2026. Outside aerodynamic appearance, because of its improved fuel efficiency and less wind resistance, the RV will have a sleek and aerodynamic appearance. LED headlights that can be adjusted using laser technology. Aluminum, carbon fiber, and other lightweight composites are examples of lightweight materials. Panoramic windows, an unhindered view from within is ensured by the enormous windows that surround the body. There will be welcoming lighting and mechanized opening at the main entrance. Within high-quality materials, the interior will be dominated by high-end materials like Nappa leather, brushed aluminum, real veneer wood, and Alcantara fabric. The newest iDrive, featuring a big curved display, is part of the futuristic driver cockpit. In addition to massaging, the driver's seat and the front passenger seat will include heating and cooling features. Cozy modular couches that double as extra beds in a beautiful living room. Kitchen, induction stove, convection oven, microwave, huge refrigerator with freezer, and built-in espresso coffee maker. The focal point of the master bedroom will be a king-size bed with an orthopedic mattress. Options for hybrid or fully electric powertrains. In keeping with BMW's electrification trend, the Motorhome is probably going to have a range of potent plug-in hybrid powertrains that combine an electric motor with an affordable gasoline or diesel engine, or even a fully electric model with an impressive range, xDrive, or all-wheel drive in a range of driving situations. BMW's xDrive technology guarantees the best traction. Advanced braking system for electric and hybrid recreational vehicles. A high-performance braking system with features like regenerative braking will guarantee safety. Smart home control. A smartphone app can be used to control any aspect of the house, including the lights, blinds, security systems, and temperature. Satellite connectivity. Motorhomes will have satellite connectivity for internet access and communication, equipped with the latest infotainment technology.